सर पे हाथ फेरे, मैं समझू हुआ सवेरा। तेरी थपकी माँ बताए, चल सो जा हुआ अंधेरा।
शब्द नहीं, एक एहसास है माँ, हमारे हर मर्ज की दवा होती है माँ। कभी डांटती है हमें तो कभी गले लगा लेती है माँ। हमारी आँखों के आंसू अपनी आँखों में समा लेती है माँ। अपने होठों की हंसी हम पर लुटा देती है माँ। हमारी खुशियों में शामिल होकर अपने गम भुला देती है माँ। दुनिया की तपिश में हमें आंचल की शीतल छाया देती है माँ। खुद चाहे कितनी थकी हो, हमें देखकर अपनी थकान भूल जाती है माँ। प्यार भरे हाथों से हमेशा हमारी थकान मिटाती है माँ। रिश्तों को खूबसूरती से निभाना सिखाती है माँ। लफ्ज़ों में जिसे बयान नहीं किया जा सके, ऐसी होती है माँ। भगवान भी जिसकी ममता के आगे झुक जाते हैं, ऐसी ममता की मूरत होती है माँ। ऐसी ममता की मूरत होती है माँ। A very good morning to one and all. I, Rajni, with my entire team of Kaveri House, welcome you all and wish you a very happy Mother's Day on behalf of our Honorable Director Sir, respected principals Usha Ma'am and Renu Ma'am, and all the members of our DCM family. It is very true to say that the first God, teacher, philosopher, guide and friend for everyone is Mother. She is the only constant in this ever-changing world. The words to describe her greatness and her deeds fall shallow. So we all should thank our mothers for being the constant support and guide for what we are today. So let us make this day memorable for the love of life, the mother. With this, I would like to hand over the further proceedings to our bright Decimites. Let us see how they make this day memorable for their mothers.
A mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one can take. Good morning, everyone. I, Aditi, with my partner Vanshika, wish you a very happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day is a special day for all the children and mothers as it celebrates the bond of love and affection that is everlasting. But do you know why do we celebrate Mother's Day?
No, I don't know its history. Please tell about it.
Okay, let us all watch together to know why do we celebrate it.
Mother's Day. Mother's Day has been celebrated for many centuries and years. Ancient Greeks and Romans celebrated it as a festival, and so did the Christians. But Mother's Day we all have come to know and celebrate has a different reason. And let me tell you, it's not a very happy story for that.
Why? What happened, dear?
First of all, you all need to know about Anne Reeves Jarvis. In 1900, in the US, before the Civil War, she started with groups like Mother's Day work clubs and worked for the local women to take care of their children. Later, these clubs came together and did many peacekeeping activities.
Wow!
But actually, Mother's Day did not come up until 1905 when Anne Jarvis passed away. Her daughter Anna Jarvis decided to celebrate Mother's Day as a way to celebrate the sacrifices moms make for their children the whole life. In May 1908, she had a huge celebration on this day with thousands of people joining. By 1912, everybody was celebrating the Mother's Day as we know today.
I thought you said there was a sad story too behind it.
Well, as the years passed by, people started celebrating Mother's Day with a lot of fanfare. But they forgot that the holiday was not about gifts and treat, but about remembering and honoring the many sacrifices moms make for their children.
Oh, it just became a holiday.
Yes, exactly. And Anna Reeves Jarvis spent rest of her life urging people to drop the pomp and show around the festival.
Wow, her whole life?
You know, she didn't even marry and dedicated herself to the cause completely, just in honor of the lovely mothers all around the world. Hence, we should always love, respect, and help our mothers, because for a mother, her child is the whole world and the choicest blessings of Almighty.
A mother is an angel sent by God who makes our life simpler and fills it with love.
To express our gratitude for her selfless love, we DC Mites have prepared a song dedicated to our mothers.
माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी। हो खुदा पे भी असर, तो दुआओं का है घर। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। बिगड़ी किस्मत भी संवर जाएगी, जिंदगी तराने खुशी के गाएगी। तेरे होते किसका डर, तो दुआओं का है घर। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। यूं तो मैं सबसे न्यारा हूँ, तेरा माँ मैं दुलारा दुनिया में जीने से ज्यादा उलझने है माँ, तू है अमर का जहां। तू गुस्सा करती है बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, तू कान पकड़ती है बड़ी जोर से लगता है। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, अम्मा।
I love my mother very much. She is my best friend. She cooks very tasty food. She helps me whenever I need help.
My mother also supports me. She teaches me and always guides me for the best in my life.
Yes, a mother has so many roles in her life. Let us see how she plays different roles in our lives.
Growing up, every child needs a mother who understands them and loves them unconditionally. The natural bond between the child and the mother is the result of the nourishment and care she offers her child. A mother contributes her whole life for the betterment of her family. She provides love, support, care, affection to all the family members, especially to her growing children. The most important part or role that a mother plays is the role of a teacher. She teaches everything to her children since they are born. She teaches them how to laugh, talk, walk, eat, dance, sing, love, write, and read. She teaches her children the importance of being well disciplined. Mothers are responsible for the environment that a child gets from the very beginning. Giving apt space for the movement, creativity, and play offers right environment for the child development. A mother helps her child about the importance of family as she is the backbone of the family and holds everyone together. Mother is a soft and handles the things in a positive way. She teaches the child no matter whether the life is tough, it can be handled in a better way. A child learns to work hard from her mother. On the other hand, your child might see at the end of the day you get tired, but if you explain the pleasure and the satisfaction that you get from working hard, the right message will be delivered. A mother supports and helps her child is improving herself throughout her life. Role of a mother greatly influence the child's overall development and well-being.
A mother is your first friend, your best friend, and your forever friend. She has also been a source of inspiration for us.
To honor the love and sacrifice of a mother, I would request our respected principal ma'am to share her special message.
On this very special day that is commemorated every year to celebrate the loveliest and the noblest creation of God Almighty, I have a few lines sent to me by one of you children, and with great joy of happiness I am going to share with you all this poetic tribute to all the mothers and grandmothers too. She is the rustle and whisper of the leaves as I walk down the forest track. She is the aroma of my favorite delicacies, the fragrance of the flowers I pick, the divine essence of my life itself. She is the soothing, cool hand on my brow when I am not feeling well. She is a warm breath on a cold winter day. She is the melodious sound of the raindrops and the colors of the rainbow on a rainy day. She is always fresh and smiling as the morning dew. She lives inside my laughter. She is the place I come from, my first home. She is the map I follow with every step I take. She is my first love, my first friend, even my first enemy at times. But nothing on earth can separate me from her. Not time, not space, not even death. I love you, Mommy. Could the beauty, nobility, and dignity that is personified by this small, simple word, mother, be summed up better? With this befitting tribute to all the mothers, I wish them all a happy Mother's Day. God bless you all. Enjoy.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your kind words, which have always been a source of inspiration for us.
To the world, you are a mother, but to your family, you are the world. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the queen of Maratha princely state of Jhansi. She was a daughter, a wife, a warrior, a widow, but most importantly, a mother. In 1842, Manikarnika marries Gangadhar Rao Navalkar, the Maharaja of Jhansi. As a marriage tradition, she is given the name Lakshmi Bai. While learning the duties of a wife and a queen at a young age, she gives birth to her first child in 1851. But the baby boy dies after 4 months. Coping up with the loss, she and the Maharaja adopt a son named Anand Rao. They rename him as Damodar Rao after their deceased first child. A day later, the Maharaja is killed by a Mughal ally of the British. Lakshmi Bai is left widowed to single-handedly raise her son. Then, Captain Hamilton arrives to subdue Jhansi. Lakshmi Bai ties her son to her chest and wages a war against the East India Company, contributing to Indian Revolt of 1857. Then Queen Victoria gets Prince Damodar kidnapped. The victorious Rani Lakshmi Bai saves her son's life by killing Captain Hamilton and returns to reconquer Jhansi. From losing her first child to fighting the British with her adopted son on her back, Manikarnika braved through her motherhood. Sushmita Sen is not only a former Miss Universe and an actress, but also a role model who has inspired many and has earned the respect and even more love from many when she adopted a baby girl at the young age of 24. Now looking back at this 20 years journey, Sushmita Sen recalls it as the best and the wisest decision of her life. Sushmita Sen, who is a doting mom to both her daughters, Renee and Alisa, recently opened up on motherhood. The actress said that she might not be the biological mother of her daughters, but she has given birth to them from her heart. In the natural birth, the mother and the child connect through the umbilical cord, but in adoption, the mother and the child are connected by this higher power, a connection that you cannot cut off. I have had the privilege of experiencing it twice, said Sen. To become a mother who has given birth from the heart, I have not missed a day feeling the joy of motherhood, added Sushmita Sen. The wisest decision I made at the age of 24 was to become a mother. It stabilized my life. People think that it was a greater act of charity and wonderful action, but it was for self-preservation. It was for me protecting myself, added the actress. Her never say die attitude strikes a chord with sportspersons and mothers alike, as she creates history with her 6th gold medal at the Women's World Championships. Mary Kom has done it again. When it comes to pushing boundaries and raising the bar for sportspersons, you cannot beat the heart of this champion. With her win against Ukraine's Hanna Okhota in the final of the 48 kg
light flyweight division of the Women's World Championship in New Delhi, she became the most successful boxer in the history of the event. Com is married to the footballer Karung Ongkholar. Together they have 3 sons, twins born in 2007 and another son born in 2013. In 2018, Com and her husband adopted a girl named Merlin. Shakuntala Devi, the mathematical wizard, was known for her ability to make incredible swift calculations. Her geniusness was first discovered at the age of 5 when she solved a mathematical problem for an 18-year-old student. Her daughter Anupama Banerjee stated that we did not have a perfect relationship. They have had plenty of intense arguments too. Shakuntala was an unconventional mother relating to what she called as mother's guilt. Taking an instance from their life, Shakuntala was on international tour and her infant is back home in Calcutta under the care of her husband. She tears up and ends up the call on the pretext of poor connectivity and flies back home. What follows is a heated argument between the couple as Shakuntala proposed taking her husband and child along on work tour so as to not miss out on her personal life. Despite being a Guinness record holding mathematics genius, the world referred to as human computer, Shakuntala was seen to have second thoughts about her career because she was asphyxiated by what psychologists would call as the mother's guilt. Everyone has had accomplishments in their life, and behind those amazing accomplishments is someone who has inspired them or has had an impact on their lives in some form. Here I would like to take one real-life example of a mother who has become a source of inspiration to establish this institution. She is none other than Shrimati Kasturi Devi. Our KDMS Kasturi Devi Memorial Scholarship and KDGS Kasturi Devi Girls Scholarship have been initiated in her name to provide free education to the meritorious students. She has really been a source of inspiration for all.
It has been rightly said that as God could not be present everywhere, He created mothers. Mother, an epitome of love and sacrifice. She laughs with you, she cries with you, she is always there to support you through all the thins and thicks. Here we have a tiny tots going to give a tribute to their mothers.
Respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Jivika Tanwar from class 3rd A going to recite a short poem on my mother. My mother is so cute. She doesn't show attitude. My mother has a heart of gold. She teaches me to be bold. My mother is always in a good mood. She cooks very tasty food. My mother pays attention. She is full of love and affection. My mother is a treasure for me. Being it is a pleasure for me. My mother is the best, and I am very blessed to have a mother so nice. She is like a first prize. Thank you and have a nice day. Hope you enjoy these lines. My happiness is mom and mom happiness is me. My mama is my best friend. She is caring and loving. Thank you, Mama. I love you. मेरी मम्मा प्यारी है, सारे जग से न्यारी है, मुझको खाना खिलाती है, लोरी भी सुनाती है, खेल भी खिलाती है, a homemaker. She is very beautiful and hardworking. She cooks yummy food for us. This plays with me. Last but not least, तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, भोली भाली है. Oh माँ. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Hi everyone. How are you doing today? I'm going to speak few lines on my mother. My mother name is Rajni. She is very beautiful, hardworking. She gets up early in the morning. She prepares yummy food for me. She prepares me for school. When I come back from school, she helps me in my study and homework. She plays with me. I love my mother. Happy Mother's Day. Could not be everywhere. Therefore, he made mother. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nanegi. I study in the Prep 2A. Today, I will speak about mother. Mother brings us in this world. Mother grows like prince and princess. Mother help us. Mother help us in studies. Mother cooks food for us. Mother life skills in us. Mother, one should respect their mother. I love my mother. She is wonderful person of my life. Thank you. Hi everyone. Today I am sharing few lines on my mother. My mother name is Kusulata. She is very beautiful and hardworking. She wake up early in the morning. She prepare yummy food for me. She prepare for school me. When I back come for school, she play with me. She help me my study and homework. She teaches me like swimming and dancing. I love my mother. Happy Mother's Day.
Wow, our tiny tots have really performed well. They have also planned something special for their mothers.
Let us enjoy their rocking performance.
मेरा खूबसूरत सा एक जहाँ है, वो मेरी माँ है. मेरी माँ का नाम संगीता यादव है. मेरे हंसने पर मुस्कुराती, गिरने पर उठाती और हर कदम में मेरा साथ निभाती है मेरी माँ. मेरे सपनों को अपनी ख्वाहिश बताती हो. बस तुमसे एक सवाल पूछती हूँ, आखिर इतना प्यार कहाँ से लाती हो? धन्यवाद. माँ वो है जिसमें सारा संसार बसा हुआ है. माँ ने हमें पाल पोस कर बड़ा किया है. माँ वो है जिसने हमें खाना खिलाया है. माँ वो है जिसने हमें चलना सिखाया है. माँ वो है जिसने हमें प्यार और शांति दी है. मैं अपनी माँ पर गर्व करता हूँ. शब्द नहीं माँ कैसी होती है, तो बस माँ जैसी होती है. शब्द नहीं माँ कैसी होती है, माँ तो बस माँ जैसी होती है. माँ हर इंसान की वो पहली पाठशाला है, जिसमें हर बच्चा संस्कारों को सीखता है. फना कर दो अपनी जिंदगी माँ के कदमों में. फना कर दो अपनी सारी जिंदगी माँ के कदमों में. माँ के बिना इस दुनिया में कोई सच्ची मोहब्बत नहीं होती. माँ के बिना इस दुनिया में कोई सच्ची मोहब्बत नहीं होती. अंबर ना होता, धरती ना होती. अंबर ना होता, धरती ना होती, अगर इस दुनिया में माँ ना होती. धन्यवाद.
तेरा हाथ पकड़ के मैंने चलना सीखा. तूने मुझे निखारा, संवारा, काबिल बनाया. तू नहीं होती तो मेरा क्या होता माँ, मेरी प्यारी माँ.
प्यारी माँ मम्मा हो माँ मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ मम्मा हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी हो खुदा पे भी असर तो दुआओं का है घर मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ मम्मा।
God could not be everywhere and therefore he made mothers.
Mothers have always been depicted as divine figures. Let us see some examples of mother as a divine figure.
India is a secular country, a land of gods and goddesses, where people associate religious sanctity with all aspects of nature, whether they are trees, animals, or humans. And here we wish to highlight various iconic mothers who are not only powerful but divine. To begin with, we have the goddess Durga. The 9 forms of Durga show power and supremacy. The next in queue are the women with iconic chaists, which are the Ahilya, Draupadi, Kunti, Tara and Mandodari. Each of them is associated with divine powers, and it is believed if we worship them, we get away from the sins. Next, we have our motherland, the Bharat Mata, who is depicted wearing a saffron-clad divine woman dressed like a sadhvi, holding a book, sheaves of paddy and garland with 4 hands, who is the heart and soul of each Indian, irrespective of caste, creed or religion. We further have the Kamdhenu, the cow, who has a status of goddess and is believed that there is a dwelling of 33 crore gods and goddesses in one cow. And let me tell you, it is the only living being which intakes oxygen and emits oxygen. Now, moving from this mythological thing, let's come down to the reality. The live examples of this era are the Mother Teresa, the apostle of hope and mercy. She saw God in the most lowly and the downtrodden. Mother Teresa's life reaffirms faith in humanity. We have the real life Manikarnika, the Padam Shri awarded Sindhu Tai Sapkal, the mother of thousands of orphans in Pune. And the story doesn't end here. There are thousands of unknown names, thousands of mothers who dedicate their life, serve humanity, and work for the welfare of their families. We pay a tribute to each one of you from the core of our hearts. Happy Mother's Day once again to every mother.
Now, it is the time to present our love for our mothers through a dance performance by Shining Decimites.
जब सर पे हाथ फेरे मैं समझू हुआ सवेरा तेरी थपकी माँ बताए चल सो जा हुआ अंधेरा हो जब सर पे हाथ फेरे मैं समझू हुआ सवेरा तेरी थपकी माँ बताए चल सो जा हुआ अंधेरा तेरी उंगली चले मेरी राहें, मेरा घर है तेरी बाहें, तेरी गोद में मेरी दुनिया, तेरा आंचल आसमां। ओ मेरी माँ, जादू होता है तेरे हाथ के खाने में, तेरा एक इशारा काफी है हर बात को समझाने में। माँ कोई तो जादू होता है तेरे हाथ के खाने में, तेरा एक इशारा काफी है हर बात को समझाने में। तेरे आने से पहले तेरी खुशबू आ जाती है, इतनी सारी खुशियाँ बतला दे तू कहाँ से ले आती है। कौन सी गुल्लक में करती इतना प्यार जमा। ओ मेरी माँ, ओ मेरी माँ, ओ मेरी माँ।
It was really very heart-touching performance. Hope everyone has enjoyed.
Now we would like to share the special messages of the students for their mothers.
Life has never been perfect. Probably it never will be. But I will never lose hope because I know you will stand by me even if whole world falls apart.
You were my first friend, and after all these years, you have been my annoying yet true friend. Happy Mother's Day.
No matter where I go or what I do, at the end of the day, I always find wisdom in your advice, an advice that I will treasure for the rest of my life.
Dear Mother, you have shown me your love without any limits. I just want to tell you how I am blessed with a mother as loving, caring as you. Thank you.
You are like no other mom for giving me life, nourishing me, and always being the first one I call for advice and just to say hello. Thank you for your unconditional love and always inspiring me in your own special way, Mama. I love you so much.
Thank you for always being a shining example of what I wanted to be like when I grew up. Thank you for laughing with us in the best of times and sticking with us through the worst of times.
उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे, गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लागे जहाँ। आंखें दिखाए मुझे जब जिंदगी, याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की। डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह।
माँ मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा ओ माँ मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी, हो खुदा पे भी असर तू दुआओं का है घर। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा।
तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ कि ये जो दुनिया है ये बन है कांटों का, तू फुलवारी है। ओ